name is Kakande Osward. I'm the director of Mubende Stoves. Mubende Stoves is a social enterprise business focusing on supporting and helping our community. My mom was having a restaurant. We make chips. I carry them to market, to sell them, to get money. So I couldn't go to school. Then after my mom was, when we grown up, she had a problem with eyes, headache. One of the doctors told us it was because of cooking, bad cooking. So we decided to create our own business, which can also benefit the community and also can benefit the youth to be employed. I knew about the bricks, I know Uganda because people are making a lot of money from bricks. For me, I decided to choose the stove because I thought I can help people, ladies who are like my mom, not to get maybe affected by the bad smoke. We've been working now 10 years since we started. We use clay, we put in sawdust is a wood dust, we mix it, and then we put in grog. Grogs are like break and burn bricks, and then we crush them into dust, and also we mix that in the clay. And then after we mix it, after mixing it, we use a mold to make the liners. That's the clay part. And then after we use metal part. Those are the artisans that are doing that part. They make the shape of the stove. Then after we put that liner into that metal part, and we put insulation in it. And then after we pack it well and we paint it. First of all, you have portable stove, like household. It's a tiny stove. That's for household, like 1 to 5 people, to 6 people, they can use that stove. And also that PU stove for people, for restaurants. We started getting some chances, meeting different people, asking us about our company. So we started getting like experts, went to Creek. They have been helping us with clay. And NEMA was helping us, advising us how we can get like a NEMA certificate, do this, do this. Then we said, okay, we should go look out which companies can be able to support us, who can be interested in the environment. Within a year, GIZ reached out to us. Our first contract we ever get in our life was from GIZ, was supplying 10,000 charcoal portable stoves and 5,000 wood stoves. After getting that contract, we succeed. We managed to sell the stoves around Mubende Stoves, Chegegwa, and Chenjo district. People, they came to know us more. After working with that contract, we signed as a tender came in, was with GIZ working together with Equity Bank. We saw in that tender there were 2 types of stoves. There was PU stoves for business and there are portable stoves. So we said, okay, let's take this chance to support like the ladies working in the night telemarket, to help the boys who are starting their own business, at least to subsidize those stoves. They have been like subsidized 50%. So for us, we see that as a chance like, we'll be making a change in people's lives, and also we'll be marketing our brand. Most of the customers I have, I get them from the people who bought my stove. A lot of groups are reaching out, women groups, like a cooking group, cooking together, contacting me, like we need this stove, I've seen it with one of our friends. So that it's enough evidence for me to show that the stove is working well. The 565 stoves I made for starting of my contract, I managed to get 56 million incentive from Equity Bank. And that when I received the full of my incentive, they asked me to keep sending them monthly reports, how I'm doing, how many I keep selling every month, to keep in touch so that they can know, like, even if they are not there, they are not with me, I'm still working.